Hi Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection Energy reading for end of February 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, Libra, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay Libra, so let's look at into the energy between you and your person on your soulmate and twin flame connection for end of February 2021. Let's see what we have here as the mutual energy between you and your person, Libra. Also Libra, please know that this is a collective general energy reading, therefore it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you, Libra, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like button, share and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. So let's look at into your person energy here, Libra. Let's see what we have. Okay, so the sign that I'm getting strongly for you here, Libra, I'm getting a very strong water energy, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. I'm also getting a very strong fire energy coming up here as well. So Aries, Leo and Sagittarius, as well as air energy, Aquarius, Libra and Gemini. On this side here, Libra, is your energy, and on this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. The first thing that I'm getting for you here, Libra, is that I'm getting a very strong feeling defeated energy. And it's quite interesting because I've got the same energy coming up for your person here as well. So I do feel like both of you are feeling defeated. Both of you are feeling defeated at this point of time. And I'm also getting like a very strong mirroring energy coming up from you and your person energy here. And so let's begin with the way that you're feeling defeated at this point of time here, Libra. I feel like with this Four of Swords energy here, you're kind of like not sure what is it that you need to do, or what kind of next step that you need to take upon this relationship or upon this situation here. I feel like some of you here have been in a separation for quite a long time, so you're kind of like even not sure what kind of action or what kind of what kind of action that you need to take with your person. Like should you communicate with them? Should you reply the messages? Should you actually text them first? Like there are a lot of questions within yourself. There are questions running in your mind very, very strongly here. Some of you here, Libra, are together with your person, but there was like some sort of like misunderstanding and miscommunication that you're just like feeling defeated, or you're just like not sure what is it that you need to do to bring back the passion, to bring back the sparks between both of you here, I would say. And with this King of Cups energy and the Eight of Wands energy coming up here, and the overall energy, I've got the teacher energy here as well. So I feel like the first thing that you need to do here is that calm yourself, I would say here, Libra, especially with this King of Cups energy. I feel like sometimes you cannot be the master of your own emotion. You kind of like feeling that back and forth energy, or you kind of like feeling a little bit of unstable within yourself here, or within your emotion, I would say here. So this is what causing the misunderstanding or causing the argument here, because I do feel like both you and your person can be a little bit stubborn, or can be coming up as like having that anger and stubbornness, hot temper energy could be there at times, I would say here, Libra. So you kind of like need to step back a little bit and heal this emotional pain and heal this emotional trauma within yourself, because with this Five of Swords energy, even though both you and your person currently feeling defeated, I don't think that this feeling defeated, the cause of that because of this particular situation, or the cause of that is this particular separation between both of you here. I do feel like you are feeling defeated here has rooted from your past, I would say here, Libra, like past trauma, emotional issue, emotional pain here, family issue, family upbringing, childhood trauma. So all of those things, something that have been throwing into the closet for a very, very long time. I feel like this is the time that you finally need to open up. This is finally the time that you actually need to heal yourself here. And then I've also got the Eight of Wands energy coming up here as well. So this is basically talking about before things are going to take off. And then with this teacher energy here, both of you have this energy of understanding and guiding each other to get out of this toxic energy, or to get to, to go through this emotional healing, to go through this transformation energy here. And before that, before you actually can guide your person here, you need to heal yourself first. You need to look into yourself first here and shift your mindset from thinking that I don't deserve this, from thinking that I'm not good enough, into thinking that I deserve this. So you kind of like need to change into a deserving mindset, I would say here, Libra. Now looking at your person energy here, again I've got the Five of Swords energy, which is again talking about feeling defeated. They're also feeling defeated about something. And then I've also got the Seven of Swords coming up here as well, Libra. So I feel like the main thing that I'm getting from your person here is that they kind of like has come to this particular realization about the way that they have treated you here, either recently or in the past. Like the way that the way that they have treated you, the way that they might have, said something to hurt your feelings. So this is kind of like everything that they have done in the past is actually coming back to haunt them. And this is what they're feeling defeated at this point of time here, Libra. They're feeling defeated because they feel that they have failed you, because they feel like, you deserve someone who's actually better for you here. And they kind of like not feeling good within themselves, I would say here, Libra, because again coming up with this deserving energy. This is what I mean with a very, very strong mirroring energy between you and your person. The way that you think about yourself is also the same way that your person is thinking about themselves here. They are thinking that you don't deserve them. They are thinking like you deserve someone better. I'm trying to say here. So they are thinking that you cannot, or they cannot give you the life, or they cannot give you the love and the emotional satisfaction that you need. So they're kind of feeling like you deserve someone better here, Libra. And this is something that has been killing them deep inside, I would say here. This is something that have been throwing them off balance as well, especially with this Seven of Swords energy and this deserving energy coming up here. They themselves have a lot of baggages, emotionally speaking here, and combined with the baggages coming up from you, combined with this emotional instability coming up from you here, this is what causing the triggers. This is what causing the fight and the misunderstanding, and eventually leading up to the separation, or leading up to the breakup between both of you here. So something that you need to pay attention to here, as your person is also working on themselves, because like I said, a very, very strong mirroring energy. And at this point of time, the reason or the sole purpose that both of you have together here is that to teach and to guide each other, in terms of healing and emotional transformation, I would say here. So once you do that, this is the time that you're finally going to get that new beginning energy. This is when your person is actually going to get that new beginning energy coming up to them, and they're finally going to realize, okay, this is it. I can actually have another chance, or I can give another go on to this relationship here. I've got the Nine of Pentacles coming up for you here, for your person here, Libra. So I don't think any third party situation at this point of time currently between you and your person. I feel like there's definitely a very, very strong single energy coming up here as well. The only problem at this point of time coming up for you and your person here, Libra, is that your own mental and both of your own mental and emotional healing and emotional transformation is something that you need to pay attention to here as well. So that's it for your reading. I hope it resonates. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.